Welcome everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video I would like to take you through how you can get to make payment with bill references on your GT app. So if you have some bill references that you've generated, instead of you having to walk into the bank, you can do that from the confines of your sitting rooms of your office and get your receipts sent to your phone, and you download that. So alright, so just click on payment. So once you click on payment, you will have this. Scroll down to look for government, taxes and levies. So if you're also paying for others, but in this case it's actually for government levies and taxes, so just look for that and then click on it and allow it to load. Please hold on. So you have all of these items: NNPC remittance account, ETSG expenditure account, Lagos State Government, express payment, e-cashier, NRS payment, direct, import duty payment, and then the NRS e-transact. So those are the items currently on the page. So but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to try out the Lagos State Government. So click on Lagos State Government ARGP. So inside that you have all of these items under that. So but what we're actually going to be selecting in this video, and which you would also like to do, is the RevPay, the last one, Lagos State Government will bill reference. So you already have a bill reference that you've generated that you want to make payment for. So alright, as you click on that, you have this section, bill/invoice reference. So paste in your bill reference or invoice reference and then click on the drop down menu, select web dash. Alright, so just type in any amount. So I'm typing 1 because it will actually confirm for you. So proceed. Once you click on proceed, it's going to confirm. So just as you submit, let the payment confirm itself. So once you're done, you can see here on the screen that your government taxes and levies has been successfully submitted, so with the amount deducted from your account. Alright, so I have the second transaction that I want to make, so click exactly the same. So but here you can also go through, instead of going through that first route, you can just click on what you used before, RevPay. So it will definitely take you straight to the initial payment you've made. You just paste your bill reference, and then ensure it's on WebGuard, and also you can still leave that amount because it will automatically confirm the amount that you're making payment for. So click on proceed and it will confirm the details on the bill reference for you. Right, so it's already confirmed for you, so you can just verify those details. So 88,000 naira, that is what it's actually on the bill reference. So I'm looking at all of the details to confirm those details, so it's just for you to confirm. So then payment done and dusted, so you're good to go with your payment. Alright, so now check your phone. You automatically would have received the transaction a success with a link for you to download the receipt of your payment, Lagos State receipt of your payment. So you're gonna get that downloaded to your phone, so you can open and save with your preferred name. So this is the receipt, so you can save as inside your phone, and then that's all. You are done with the payment. So instead of you walking, driving, spending a lot of money to go to the bank, you're actually getting everything done at the comfort of your home, comfort of your office, comfort of your business space, and you're done. Alright guys, so I will end this video here. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe and share, drop your comment also. And until next time, this is FinTech Space with Levies. If you have a suggestion or a question for a video that you want me to make a video on, kindly drop in the comment box. Until next time, this is FinTech Space with Levies. Bye for now.